You will be amazed by this 2019 Toyota CHR. With less than 100,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Take a closer look at this sporty CHR, the small, bold crossover that brings convenience, practicality, and distinctive style along on every drive. You'll love its comfortable driver-focused interior, touchscreen infotainment tech, driver assistant safety features, and chiseled lines. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: pre-collision system, lane departure warning, keyless entry, backup camera, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, heated mirrors, keyless start, aluminum wheels, blind spot monitor. Don't hide your unique sense of style. Express yourself in this CHR and enjoy all the benefits of a fantastic value while you're at it. We pride ourselves on our outstanding customer service. Come in for a test drive and let us take excellent care of you.